Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jassim here, and today I'm vlogging my senior portraits. So stay tuned and stick around for some awesome content. Okay, so right now I'm just washing my face. I'm using the St. Ives Avocado and Honey Soft Skin Scrub. When you put it on, it's a little like light green, mint green, and then it kind of mellows in a little bit. So like it kind of looks white. It still has that greenish tint. But yeah, I really like it because it's avocado. Um, so I'm just gonna wash my face for a second and then I'll brush my teeth. I've already taken a shower. And yeah. Okay, so my face is washed, my teeth are brushed. But now I'm just gonna do like my little skin routine. It's really real simple, like real simple. So I really just use two products. I use the witch hazel. Yeah, that's what it's called, witch hazel. Like, that's the brand in the name, I guess. It's Astrogen, but you know. Yeah, I use witch hazel, and then I use Palmer's cocoa butter. So yeah, I just like put the witch hazel on my cotton pad, rub it on my face. Once that's dry, I mean, it normally takes like 2 seconds to dry, but yeah, once that's dry, then I put on my Palmer's, and I'm good to go. That's it for me. Okay, so this is me after having applied my witch hazel and my Palmer's cocoa butter. If I can find my setup, you guys will see me do my hair, but if not, then I'm just gonna show you what my hair looks like when I'm done. But yeah, I'm about to do my hair. So okay, y'all, so I just finished my hair. It's giving Dominican blowout. It's giving wet lace. But yeah, the braid I use is like real thick, so the curls aren't like tight. But this is the look I was going for the most part. I did mention that it's like 10 a.m. right now. My picture at 5 p.m. I did my hair now so that I could see if I like the look, so that when I redo my hair like tonight, like, you know, it's not my first time doing it and I hate my hair and yada yada yada. So my hair is done and I'm about to go to church, and then when I get back I have my makeup appointment, and then I'll do my hair like for real tonight, and then go to my pictures. So yeah, see y'all later. Guys, it's currently 2:52. I just got back from church. My picture at 5 o'clock, and they're in Daytona, and I'm in Orlando, and like I said, it's 2:52, and that's an hour away. So just pray for me because, yeah. But it's 2:52. I'm about to do my makeup, and then I'm gonna do my hair, and then I'm gonna get on the road, and just wish me luck, guys. Let's just get into it. Y'all, normally I would use my MAC foundation, but I forgot it in Orlando, so I had to drive to Ulta and buy this little Morphe foundation just for the day because obviously I needed my makeup done. Okay. I forgot to mention that I actually forgot like all of my makeup stuff. So I don't even normally apply my foundation like this or anything, but because I didn't have any of my stuff, I had to borrow all the products and like tools and whatnot from my cousin. And so yeah, I was definitely winging this look because I was just so lost, like without my makeup bag. I honestly was not a fan of this foundation. I definitely returned it to Ulta because you could see a clear difference between the coverage for the Morphe from the MAC. And obviously the MAC is like a $40 foundation. The Morphe was a $20 foundation. Like, there's a reason for the $20 upcharge. And also, I didn't really like how the color was looking because I told her exactly what my shade was in MAC and I asked her to find me a color match or whatever since I was just looking for a foundation for the day. And this is the one she gave me, but I felt like it was very bright. Like, it's not that it was 100% like super off and I didn't look like myself, but I just knew the difference between that and the MAC. So it definitely went back. I also normally wouldn't start with my foundation. I would start with my eyebrows. But as you can see, my eyebrows are done because I got them tinted by the best girl in Orlando, Janaea Epps. But yeah, I got my eyebrows tinted, so I wanted them to stay exactly how they look. Like, I didn't want to do anything to them. But normally I would do my eyebrows and conceal them. But because I got them tinted, I didn't touch those. And I also got my lashes done by the best lash stick in Orlando, the Lash Doc. So this this look was really easy for me to apply. don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. No, seriously, I really don't know what I'm doing. Okay, y'all, I finally finished my face. So here you see me just putting on my setting spray. And then I'm going to go ahead and head to Daytona for my shoot. It's 5:14, guys. My appointment was at 5 and ended at 5:15, but I made it. And the girl is Haitian, so she's letting your girl slide. So pride. And she got take some pictures for me with the flag. Her, but yeah, we're here. Yes, child. Smile right here. I said, smile right here. Nope. Louder than that. Nice smile right here, perfect. 1, 2, 3, hold. Nice smiles open, eyes open on top of my
Yep, right there, beautiful, right there. 1, 2, 3. Nice smiles on top of my knuckles, on the top.
This literally wait, was that before you made the second appointment? Or you made 2 appointments at the same time? I did for a fact.
Okay, y'all, I'm here with Mari. Say hi, Mari. I just finished my pictures. They came out great. They were $220. I'm gonna come back tomorrow to do some personality pictures. And yeah.